to convert the document into an object. Okay. Converting the web page into an object. Clear? Next. Model. Okay, so model is actually the model, simple. Okay, so model. Clear? So that is the case. That is the meaning for this one. Okay, that is the case. That is the case. Clear, ma? So, okay, fine. So we have the document, isn't it? So document, it is a class. It is a class which has an object. Okay, that is called as document. Okay, and using this document, okay, using this document, we are going to access some methods. Okay, like, okay, so what are all the methods we have? Okay, let us just write ID, name, tag name. Yes, we have query selector. Okay, query selector all. Query selector, yes, tag name. Okay, so query selector all. So like this, we have n number of the things. Okay, so we're going to see one by one. Okay, so perfect. Okay, so what does it mean us? Okay, so when we just do anything here, okay, so when we write anything here, so one second, ma. Let us just put it here. Okay, so see here, we have one button. Okay, so H1, something I'm going to write here. Okay, so welcome to, yes, already we have here, so let us just do the things here itself for this one. Okay, fine, and I'm going to just write the button. Okay, change text. Okay, so first it is welcome to JavaScript. Okay, so now I want to change this one as, okay, so we are in DOM topic. Okay, so like that I'm going to write something. Okay, so on clicking this button, what should happen? Okay, for that this button should do some action, isn't it? For that, for this button, we are going to write one function. Clear? On click, and any function name. Okay, so function name should be like a change text itself, not at all a problem. Okay, change text or change anything else. Okay, so you can just have it. Yes, so we are going to write the script. Okay, it's not require at present. Okay, so we are going to write the script here. Not required, ma. So for this one, yes. Okay, function. Okay, so function keyword should be written. Change text. Okay, so function name. I'll explain you about the function and all when we go for the function topic. Okay, so for now, what you need to know is like function keyword, function name, parenthesis, open braces, and the close braces. Clear? What are all the things we need to know? Function keyword. Okay, function name, parenthesis, and curly braces, which is called as the function header. Okay, this is called as the function header, and here it is going to be the function definition. Okay, I'll tell you guys later on about the story and all. Okay, so with one super example, I'll tell you guys. Okay, so you'll be able to understand it for your lifetime. You will not forget it at all. Okay, so trust me. For now, what we are going to do is, okay, so inside this function of this button, okay, we just need to link this one, isn't it, with this one. Okay, link this H2 with this button. Only then we'll be able to change the text of this one, this element. Clear? So for that, we need to use the document dot get element by ID. Okay, so give the ID for this one. Okay, so with this ID, we are going to call selector, simple. Okay. What we can write? Text. Okay, anything else? Just to put the text here, simple. Okay, this is actually a method, ma. Okay, this is an object. This is a method. I'll tell you guys later on about all these things. Okay, so using this object, we can call n number of the methods. So you need to just remember that alone for now. Okay, get element by ID, get element by name, get element by tag name. Okay, query selector and query selector all. So these many things are there. Using this object, we can just to take access these many methods. Okay, so how we actually had access to the string methods. Okay, so substring, slice, isn't it? So a number of the methods we would have accessed. Okay, and for the array as well, push, pop, shift, unshift, splice, correct? So like this, we would have access to n number of the methods using the math function as well. Random, ceil, floor, minimum, maximum, isn't it? So min, max, square root, pi, isn't it? So exponential, absolute. So like this, we would have retrieved all these things. We would have access to all these things, isn't it? So like that, we are going to access, okay, something like ID. Okay, using the ID, we are going to just take this complete element itself. I actually have taken this complete element itself. Okay, so control. I have got the control, okay, of this complete element. Complete elements control, I have got it. Clear? So dot inner HTML. Okay, so in the first day class itself, I would have told about this one, isn't it? So inside this element, in closing tag and the starting tag, isn't it? So beginning tag and the closing tag, ending tag. Okay, so starting tag and the ending tag. So inside this, what we have written, isn't it? So this is called as the inner HTML. And in case if we have something else, okay, inside this paragraph and inner HTML of this H2, we have written one paragraph element. Clear? Sorry, ma.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, inner HTML is inner HTML of this element. Okay, this angular and this angular brackets. Okay, so two angular brackets in between we write some content or child element can be written. Okay, as I had written and showed you guys just now, isn't it? So paragraph. Same way. Clear? So inner HTML equal to here what we need to put the new things. What we need to write for us new words actually. Something I told, isn't it? So DOM topic started. Okay. Hmm. Yes, okay, fine. So DOM is very, very important for your JavaScript. Okay, so not only for your JavaScript, for entire thing. Okay, for the front end UI, isn't it? So dynamically created websites. Okay, so when we click the button, some action has to be. Okay, so we have the switches in our house, isn't it? So behind the switches, some 1 second is okay. So some switches actually inside our house, isn't it? So inside the room, we have the switches, correct? So fan switch, we have light switch, isn't it? So tube light, we have 0 watts bulb or something else, isn't it? So we do have the AC, we have the TV, isn't it? So inside the hall, inside the room, okay, anything else, mixie, grinder, okay, so electricity parts, so completely. Behind the switches, okay, each and every switches have some it has some function. Okay, so using the electrical wires. Okay, so electrical people, isn't it? So the lineman people, isn't it? So electricians, they would have configured with some functions. Okay, configured with some wires. That is called as the function. So the button is going to function something. Button is going to trigger the light. It is going to trigger the TV. It is going to trigger the mixie grinder or something else. Clear? So that is what is going to happen. Behind this button, we actually have written one function. Clear? So this is internal one. Okay, internally for this button, we just have written one function simple. Done. Okay, let us just go ahead and try to get this one. Okay, so not required to put this one in comment because we don't have a present meeting. So here. Okay, so see here. Clear? Yes. So in case if you want to just do the color for this one as well, okay, you can just give the color as well. Dot get element by ID. Okay, just to take that one itself. Single quotes or double quotes, okay, anything else would be fine, not at all a problem. Color equal to red. Clear? Do you have any doubts so far?
No, ma'am.
Guys, clear? Okay, fine. So that's all about this one. Okay. So let us just do some work. Okay, using the JavaScript and the HTML both. Okay, fine. And mm, let us just go ahead and write something here. Okay. Okay, fine. So H2, choose your primary language. Clear. So for this, what we are going to do is like a label. Okay. In this label, we needed to use anything else. Java. Okay. And next one is the radio button. So it's the input. Okay. So this is going to be the radio. Fine. And for this one, we need to write something like a value of this radio button. Okay. So name of this radio button, isn't it? So first is the Java. Okay. So let us just put lang. Okay. Because for all the three, we just need to put the lang only because we just needed to make the user to click only one of these three. Clear? Yes, value is Java itself. Okay, and let me just take these two things and let me put all the things here. Okay, let us just put Python. Okay, so here it is JavaScript. Sorry, no, JavaScript. Okay, and Java, Python. Next, JavaScript. Clear? So all we have here successfully, isn't it? So next button. Okay, verify languages, else validate. Okay, so validate languages. Okay, okay, validate language. And on click of this one, what we need to do. Okay, so what we have studied, isn't it? So basic things and all. Okay, so we're going to use those many basic things here. Okay, simple only, very, very easy and also interesting. Clear? Validate language. Clear? So I actually have taken this one now. Okay, so everything is perfectly have written, isn't it? Okay, fine. Everything is perfect. Now, yes, we have got it perfectly. Okay, fine. And here this function. Okay, first we need to take the Java. Clear for the Java. I didn't put the ID, I think so, isn't it? Okay, let us just take the ID here. ID. Okay, Java, small letters only I have written. Okay. So understand this one perfectly and study more. Actually, we are going to take this one, okay, as a selector and printing this value, printing the value of this variable in element. Clear? Elements value is Python here, elements value is Java here, elements value is JavaScript here. Clear? And here we are going to give all the IDs perfectly. JavaScript, okay, it is just, oh my God, JavaScript. Clear? So like this, I actually have given everything. Let us just take that one, document dot get element by first one. Java, right? Yes. So let us just put this one into one variable, which is Java. Clear? Same way, we just need to take all the things, which is the Python JavaScript, correct? Python, Python JavaScript. Okay, so all the elements, DOM element, I actually have access here. Okay, for all the DOM elements, we just need to do some activity. I'll show you guys. Just to store it in the same variable itself, else as per your wish, you can just store it in anything else. Okay, if Java dot checked, okay, which is the deprecated one, you need to type it by yourself. Clear? Yes. So in case if it is alert, okay, Java dot value. This method's value officer is our value. Okay, so before that, let us just go ahead with something. Okay, you have clicked. Okay, here's selected language like that. You can just put anything else, not at all a problem. Next, else if Okay, next Python dot checked. Alert. You have clicked Python dot value. Simple. Okay. Else, last one. Oh, sorry. Else if okay. If JavaScript dot checked. Okay. Next. Else. Okay. No language selected. Anything else? You haven't clicked any language. What is the problem? Why? Okay. Okay. Function hasn't been closed. Okay. So perfectly, we have written everything. Okay. So in case if it is checked, okay, in case this element is checked, this input box is checked. That time, please print the value of that. Kindly give the value of that one. Okay. So I actually have written it inside the alert. Oh my God, what happened? You have clicked Java. Okay. 1 second. Let us first click the plus to get concatenated it properly. Okay, kindly use the plus here, ma. Okay, so it doesn't work. Clear? So now it has been working perfectly. So do you have any doubts, da? In case if you didn't select anything, see here. Fine. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. Huh. I have a question here. Okay. So we have written all the things here. Okay. So we have only 3 elements we have written here. What if we have 500 or 100 elements like this? How can you put it inside the if else at all and all, isn't it? So for that, what we need to do is like, okay, we actually have the name, isn't it? So using this lang, isn't it? We can just put all the elements into one element into one variable, okay, and using that variable, we can just iterate it. We know the for each loop and all, isn't it? So we can just put that one and can iterate, correct? Okay. Hmm. Language with name. Clear? Validate with name. Okay, so enough. Okay, simple only. Okay, so it means just to take this one itself and name. Yes, so just to take all the elements, more simple only. Okay, document dot get element by name. Okay, lang. And just to put this lang into the languages. Okay, so langs. Okay, so from this langs only we are going to break all the things and we just to take it. Okay, so see here. Lang of 0 dot value. Okay, let us just see the output of this one. Actually, whether we have been getting or not. 1 second. We'll not be able to get it because we just need to click this one. Okay, 1 second. See here, so we have got the value of this one. Okay, so it is Java. Next is the Python. Python. Yes. Next is the JavaScript. Clear? Do you have any doubts? Okay, so how to use this one inside the loop? Clear? So lands first. Let data type and language. Okay, so we actually have a broke this one into the data type. Clear? So in, sorry, not colon, it's in. Next, if land of, sorry, lands of land, isn't it? So lands of land dot checked. Okay, so that time actually what we should do, that is what is this one? Alert. Okay. You have clicked mm, lands of land dot value. Clear? So which is like in the first iteration, we'll get lands of 0 dot value, which is Java. Okay. And if it is the second one, then we get Python. Okay, which is the lands of 1. It's lands of 2 dot value. Clear? So like that, I actually have iterated completely, and we didn't give any hard coded things like this and all. Okay, so we didn't, I mean, not hard coding values. Actually, we didn't take the elements separately, independently. Okay, I actually have used inside the loop. Okay, so completely I have taken using the name. Clear, ma? So do you have any doubts? But still, okay, if so, else if so, that time what we need to do is, okay, let us just see the answer of this one and come. Okay, fine. See here, we have got it. Okay, perfectly, and we have been getting it, not at all a problem. Okay, so see here, so we have been getting it perfectly. But where's the else part? We don't have the else part at present, correct? Else alert. Okay, so same thing only. Just to put this one here. In case if I didn't click anything, okay, you have clicked any language. Yes, see here, so again and again we have been getting the same thing. Clear? So what is the thing is like we just needed to give one condition here, which is like, which is okay, sorry, land, isn't it? So land greater than or equal to 2, that time we just need to get this one. Clear, ma? So obviously it is not going to 2, but in case if you don't use this equal to, okay, so it will not work properly. So I actually have given this equal to as a supporting here. Okay. So yes, you have clicked any language. Okay, so perfect. But when we just click anything here, okay, so in case if it is Python, then Python, JavaScript, then it actually shows. See here, so you have clicked any language. Again, okay, so after printing this one, this actually goes to the else part also. Just to put the break here and submit it simple. Okay, so you'll be able to get the answer perfectly. So in case if it is Java, yes. Okay, so Java, yes, perfectly. We have been getting all the things. So do you have any doubts? Okay, which should be equal to 2. Clear? Else greater than 2. So like that, I have written the logic here. Okay, so in case if you can write any other logics also, you can just write it here for this one. Okay, in case if I just put this one, it will not work properly. See? Okay. So just to put this one, and this actually works perfectly. Yeah. So do you have any doubts, ma? Next one is, guys, do you have any doubts? Independently, I have taken here, ma. Okay. And I actually have taken the name itself completely. Okay, in this name, all the languages, isn't it? All the languages I actually have given to this one. Okay, which is actually array of the languages. Okay, so all the languages I actually have given to this lands. Okay, and from this land, I actually have separated all the things and have displayed it simple. Okay, instead of writing like this, I have written the code like this. It is not the hard coded, I mean, it is a dynamic method, okay, which is the static method only. Clear. So all the options I have written it perfectly here, but here I didn't write the options and all. Okay, so this gets applied directly for the program, for the code. Okay, for the output. Yes, so do you have any doubts?
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in the else part, why we give languages is greater than or equal to, ma'am?
In case if the lang, isn't it? So in case if the lang shouldn't greater than 2. Clear?
Okay.
So that is what I have given here. In case if the index, okay, if it is greater than 2, okay, so that time you just needed to use this one. You haven't clicked any language that time. Okay, so in case if it is 2, so we would not have clicked the sentence. So we have until 2 only here. Okay, for supporting, I actually have given the equal to because it hasn't been working. So I have given the equal to. Why? Because in case if it is equal to 2, okay, in case if the language we actually have clicked the second one. Okay, obviously here itself it is getting satisfied, correct? Then we actually have given the break as well, so that it actually comes out of this if block itself. So it will not printed. Okay, so this will not get printed for the second index. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
புரிஞ்சுதா நான் என்ன சொன்னானு? இந்த லாங்குவேஜ் வந்து டூன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நான் இங்க கொடுக்கலப்பா சரிங்களா? அதாவது இங்கேயும் நான் டூன் கொடுத்துருக்கேன், இங்கேயும் வந்து டூனாலும் அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிக்கும் 0 1 2. ஓகே, அக்செப்ட் பண்ணும். ஆனா இங்கேயே அதை அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிடுறதுனால அடுத்தது இஃப் கண்டிஷன் அது போகாதுன்னு சொல்றாங்க.
ஓகே மேம்.
ஓகே, இங்கேயே அதுக்கு வந்துட்டு 2 அக்செப்ட் பண்ணுது, சோ இங்க அது போகாது. It will not go to this one because here itself for 2 we have got it, but here actually it is asking to put the equal to, so I have been using it. Clear?
The 2 வந்து அரேயோட லெந்த் டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுதா? என்னது மேம் டிஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுது?
இண்டெக்ஸ் மா, இண்டெக்ஸ்.
ஓ,
அரேயோட
இண்டெக்ஸ்.
இண்டெக்ஸ் 0 1 2.
அப்ப நம்ம அரே லெந்த் எடுக்கலாம்ல, lang.length இல்லையா?
லெந்த் லெந்த் வந்து 3. இண்டெக்ஸ் வந்து லாஸ்ட் இண்டெக்ஸ் 2.
ஓ, லெந்த் -1 ன்னு எடுக்கலாம் அப்போனால. ஓகே,
புரிஞ்சுதா? சோ ஓகே.
இந்த லாங்ஸ்ல வந்து என்ன இருக்கும்?
லாங்ஸ்ல இந்த லாங்ஸா இங்க தானே?
document.get
இதுல வந்து எல்லா எலிமெண்ட்ஸும் இருக்கும்பா. இதோட இந்த 3 எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் தான் இதுல இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? இந்த இன்புட்,
இந்த 3
எலிமெண்ட்ஸ்.
அப்புறம் மேம் லாங்ஸ் ஆஃப் லாங் நம்ம போறோம். லாங் இன் ஃபார்
அது இண்டெக்ஸ் பாரு. இது நம்ம ஃபார் ஈச் படிச்சோம்ல, ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? இதுல இருக்கிற இண்டெக்ஸ் நம்ம இட்டரேஷன்ல பண்றோம். இப்போ இதுல வந்து நம்பர் ஆஃப் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஓகே, 3 எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு. அந்த 3 எலிமெண்ட்ஸ்
நம்பர் ஆஃப் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் கொடுக்கணும்.
நம்பர் ஆஃப்
இல்ல மேம், அந்த எலிமெண்டே இருக்குமா இல்ல வெறும் 3 தான் இருக்குமா?
நோ 3 எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குப்பா இதுல. இதுல வந்து 3 எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஆப்ஜெக்ட் இது. இந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ல 3 எலிமெண்ட்ஸே இருக்கு நம்ம கிட்ட. இந்த 3 இன்புட்ஸ்மே இன்புட் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல, நான் வந்து ஐடி யூஸ் பண்ணி இந்த 3 எலிமெண்ட்ஸை எடுத்திருக்கேன், சூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன். ஓகே, I actually have chosen these 3 elements. Okay, so here
அப்ப இந்த லாங்ங்கிறதுல ஒரு எலிமெண்டா வருமா?
இத இட்டரேட் பண்ணிருக்கேன்ப்பா இங்க.
லெட் லாங் இப்ப லாங்ஸ்னா லாங்ஸ் இன் லாங்ங்கும்போது
வெயிட். நான் பப்பீஸ்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு இது நான் கொடுத்திருந்தேனா முன்னாடி அரேல இருந்துதா? ஓகே, சும்மா நான் 3 மட்டும் போட்டுக்கிறேங்க உங்களோட எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்காக. ஓகேவா? பக் அதுக்கப்புறம் என்னென்ன இருக்கு? வீடியோ சென்ட் பண்ணார். ஓகே, லேப். ஓகே, இதை எப்படி இட்டரேட் பண்ணுவீங்க? பப்பீஸ் நான் போட்டுக்கலாம், ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. Okay, so we can just write as puppies itself, not at all a problem. We can write as puppies. Okay, so not at all a problem. We'll get it. Okay, so we'll get it. But I just need to iterate one by one. What is the solution? If I need this one, so what is the solution?
For each or for loop.
One second. One. Ipa first சொல்லலாம். Basic-ஆ ஒண்ணா சொல்லுங்க. first indexல
puppies of
இருக்கிறது
0,
வேணும்னா
puppies
ஓகேவா
of 0, puppies of 1.
ஓகேவா சோ இந்த மாதிரி தான்
Okay.
நமக்கு வந்து வருவாங்களா 1 செகண்ட் இருங்க ஓகே ஆனா எனக்கு வந்து இந்த மாதிரிலாம் நான் எழுதக்கூடாது ஹார்ட் கோடட் வேல்யூஸ்லாம் எனக்கு எழுதவே கூடாது எனக்கு டைனமிக் கோடா வேணும் அதுலயே அப்ளை ஆயிடணும் எல்லாமே வந்து
Okay.
ஓகே சோ கிடைச்சிருக்கீங்க ஓகே தான் ஓகே மூணுமே இப்படி கன்கேட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன் எனக்கு வந்து என்னவா இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா எனக்கு தனித்தனியா எனக்கு வேணும் அப்பதான் நான் இந்த வேலையை செய்ய முடியும்ல அப்பதான் நான் அந்த இஃப் கண்டிஷன் போட முடியும் இங்க நான் தனித்தனியா பண்ணிருக்கேன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஜாவா எடுத்திருக்கோம் அப்புறம் பைத்தான் எடுத்திருக்கோம் அப்புறமா ஜாவா ஸ்கிரிப்ட் எடுத்திருக்கோம் இதெல்லாம் ஐடி யூஸ் பண்ணி எடுத்திருக்கோம் நம்ம
ஆமா
ஓகே இங்க வந்து நேம்னு சொல்லிட்டு மூணுக்குமே சேம் நேம் தான் இருக்கீங்க அதனால இந்த 3 எலிமெண்ட்டையுமே நான் எடுத்துட்டேன் இப்போ எடுத்து அறைக்குள்ளதான் போட்டுட்டோம் இங்க வந்து அறைன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நமக்கு தனியா தெரியாது ஓகேவா நம்ம எடுத்திருக்கிறது மூணு எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு இங்க ஆனா இங்க வந்து ஒரு எலிமெண்ட் தனித்தனியா எடுத்து வச்சிருக்கேன் ஓகே சோ இப்போ நம்ம இதை பண்ணும்போது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணணுமா ஆப்ஜெக்ட் பப்பீஸ்ல இருந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன்னொன்னா ஒரு இட்ரேஷனுக்கும் ஒரு இண்டெக்ஸ் வருமா நான் இங்க பப்பின்னு போடுறேன்ப்பா அவ்வளவுதான் நீங்க ஐ கூட போட்டுக்கோங்க ஒன்னும் பிரச்சனை இல்ல நான் வந்து ஒரு பப்பியா எடுக்க போறேன் அவ்வளவுதான் இந்த லாங்குவேஜஸ் இவ்வளவு லாங்குவேஜஸ் நான் இதுல போட்டிருக்கேன் வந்து I actually have used I have put 3 languages inside the languages okay I actually so I have broke all the complete languages and have taken the language by iterating it one by one ஒரு பப்பியா நான் எடுக்கணும்னா இதேதான் என்னமா
லாங்.செக் போட்டா போதாதா மேம் லாங்ஸ் ஆஃப்
அது போட்டா வராதுப்பா ஜாவால வரும் இதுல வராது ஜாவால வந்து அதுல இருக்கிற வேல்யூ எடுத்துட்டு போய் இந்த இதுல வச்சிரும் ஆனா இதுல வந்து இதுல இருக்கிற வெறும் இண்டெக்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் பாஸ் பண்ணும் ஓகே இட் பாசஸ் only the indices sorry it passes only the indices clear it actually passes only the indices so in this place first iteration la 0 அப்போ puppies of 0 நமக்கு கிடைக்கணுமா அப்போ puppies of puppy போட்டா வந்துருமா ஓகேவா puppy is equal to index puppyல வந்து actually index மட்டும் தான் இருப்பாங்க ஓகே so first iterationல உங்களுக்கு 0 வரும் puppies of 0 puppies of 1 puppies of 2 அப்படி iterate ஆவாங்க பாருங்க இதெல்லாம் எங்க இருந்து வராங்க 29th ல இருந்து 3 பப்பியும் வந்துட்டாங்களா 29th லைன்ல புரிஞ்சுதா அதே கான்செப்ட் இங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன்
சூப்பர்
ஓகேவா சோ இந்த மாதிரி எடுத்துட்டா பிரச்சனை இருக்காதுல்ல நம்ம ஒரு இப்படி எடுக்கிறதுனால என்ன ஒரு டிஸ்அட்வான்டேஜ் so what is the disadvantage actually when we use like this when we take each and every element and use the if condition isn't it so for 3 elements it is okay but in our application in case if we have 50 elements like this but the same name okay why can't we take using the name why should we use the id கரெக்டா ஏன் ஐடி எடுத்து கஷ்டப்படணும் நம்ம நேம் எடுத்துட்டு ஈஸியா அதை லூப் பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டே இருக்கலாமே இட்ரேட் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடலாம்ல புரியுதா okay so that is the case here that is the situation okay so instead of taking the id for separate elements we can go ahead with the name which is common okay so in case if you put the name separately okay so what happens now do anyone know we actually already have seen this one in first class itself in form of html we would have seen this one இப்படி வந்து நம்ம டைப் இது பண்ண விடலாமா யூசரை this is actually obviously an option one okay optional one only one the user can click okay so female so just imagine okay so female male and others okay so can we allow the user to click all the 3 choose all the 3
no ma'am select only one
okay so அந்த ஒரு பர்பஸ்க்காக நம்ம நேம்ல காமனா கொடுக்கணும் not only the languages you can just give anything else in the name but it should be common you can give java also not at all a problem for all the 3 you can give java itself okay not at all a problem but the same name should be given for this one because I have chose all the 3 elements okay and I actually have put into the variable name lands. This actually contains the array of data. Clear? And retrieving the array of data. So when we retrieve as per JavaScript, it actually passes only the indices. Okay, so index. For each iteration, it passes only the index, not the value. It is passed by index. Okay, so not by value. Clear? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Bhuvanesh. Understood, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. Next, what else we have, guys? Actually, one second. Okay, fine. Let us just go ahead with the paragraphs. Okay, so next is the tag name, isn't it? So let us just go ahead with the tag name query selector, isn't it? So we have a number of things. Then we have another one, password. Okay, so password, strong password, poor password, isn't it? So no strength, poor strength, strong strength, isn't it? So like that, we just need to give good strength. Okay, fine. Let me just write the lorem ipsum. Lorem 10. It's enough. Okay, fine. Let us put 5. Okay, and we are just going to get the count of this one. Clear? So when we just click get count, get para count. Okay, and write one method para count. Okay, so call the method. Parenthesis we should use to call. Okay, I'll tell you guys. So for example, I have, okay. So when we go for the function, I'll just tell you guys how to make use of this one. Okay, so for now, this is the calling statement, okay, of this method. Simple, ma. We actually have called someone and have given the work, ma. Okay, that person is going to complete the work and give the output to us. Clear? So we call someone to buy something from the shop. So we actually have given the money to that person. Okay, so he is going to the shop and buying something. Okay, that what we have required. Okay, so he actually has given the money and have got the thing back. Clear? And he has given to us the same thing. Okay, I actually have called the function with the function name. Okay, for the function, I'm going to write the logic here. Simple. Understand each and everything and study. Don't mug up. Okay. Next, para count, isn't it? So document dot get element by tag name. Okay, so element name tag name is T. Okay, put that one into the paragraph. So all the paragraphs we actually have here. Okay, so with this paragraph, we can just do anything else now. Whatever you want, you can just do. Okay, length of this one, you can just check. Alert. Paragraphs. Okay, so how many count we actually have? Okay, so this is also is okay. So I actually have put it into the para. Okay, so paras also okay. Just take the paras here. Okay, and for each and every paragraph, we can just do something as well. I'll just tell you guys. Five, correct? Okay, so do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Simple. It is also an array kind of thing only. In case if you want to just use something inside it. Okay, so like this, you can just go ahead with the colors as well. Let us also do something with this one. Okay, so para in. Okay, we do have a number of the colors, isn't it? So let us just define some colors here. Guys, understand this one perfectly. Okay, so we have this one in JavaScript, sorry, React as well. Okay, so I'm going to just use this one in React as well. So what are the colors we have, Ma? Just to tell me.
Blue, green, ma'am.
Red, blue, green, okay. White, black, isn't it? White, black. Next, what else we have? Purple. My favorite, orange. Yellow also. So yellow dresses I like. For kids, actually, it would be beautiful. Next, orange, yellow. What else we have? Fluorescent, isn't it? So fluorescent. Orange, red. Okay. Tomato, orange, tomato, red, and all we have here. Okay, fine. Tomato, it's enough. Did we miss anything? Oh, pink. It's a baby girl's favorite color. Okay, pink color. Okay. Yes. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. So I actually have given the colors here. Let us just put those many colors here. So how to put it? First, let us just print this one and see. Okay. So paragraph color. Okay. Fine. Para dot style. Have the style for this one. Okay. So for all the things. Okay. Paras dot. Sorry. Paras of para. Okay. Dot style. Yes. Color is equal to. Okay, any color. Let me just give any color at present. Okay, so let us just change the colors later on. So see here. So okay, so all the colors I have given as red, green. Okay, see here. Okay, so we have got the color. Okay, fine. So in this itself, okay, when we just click the color, we just need to get the different colors. So what is the solution for that one? Okay, very, very easy only. So see here, math.random. Okay, so into colors dot length. Okay, so how many colors we have? Okay, so those many colors and the down number of that color, which is dot floor. Down number, what is the down number? I mean floor number and the difference between the floor and the round.
மேம் ஃப்ளோர் நம்பர் வந்து இப்போ 4.4 அந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது வந்து 4 மட்டும் எடுத்துக்குமா?
4 மட்டும் எடுத்துக்குமா? 45 இருக்கீங்க.
ஓகே ஓகே. நான் ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொன்னேன் மேம். இதுல வந்துட்டு 45 எடுத்துக்குமா?
வெரி குட். அப்போ ரவுண்டுக்கு
இது 45 தான் வரும்.
Very good. Okay, in case if it actually crosses 5, okay, then it will become 46. But here, if it is 5 or 6 or 7, anything else, but floor value will the 45 there. புரிஞ்சுதா?
Okay.
என்னமா திருத்தல் முடிக்கிறீங்க? This is actually our first day class, right? Math class is very, very first day class in our JavaScript. படிக்கணும். நல்லா படிக்கணும். Okay, so I actually have taken the length of this one and multiplication with this one. Okay, so we'll get it in a point only. Okay, and that from that I actually have taken only the floor value. Okay, the rounded floor. Clear? So approximate. Okay, so floor value. Clear? So simple. So just to store this one in anything. Okay, so which is going to be the index of this one. Okay, index of this color. So that color only we are going to just put it here. Clear? So let index itself. Okay, let's just put it as index itself. Now colors dot index simple. Okay, so when we click for the first time, we'll get some colors. See here, so n number of the colors we have got, isn't it? So very, very good. So when we look at this one, see here. Okay, so when we click it, isn't it? So each and every time this actually has been getting changed. Okay, for all the colors. Clear, ma? So do you have any doubts? For first iteration, we actually would have got this blue color, and the second iteration, we would have got this gray color. Okay, so black. Like this, we actually have given the colors for all the paragraphs. Clear? So that is the important thing. Using the iteration, we can just do whatever we want. புரிஞ்சுதா? குழப்பமா இருக்கா? என்னமாச்சு? புரிஞ்சுதா? Guys, you can just
Yes, ma'am.
have this one. One second, see here. உங்களுக்கு என்ன மாதிரி தோணுதோ அப்படியெல்லாம் நீங்க கோட் பண்ணலாம்ப்பா இதுல, சரியா? ID alone, I am going to just give. I mean, I actually have given the ID alone. Okay, so heading to. Okay, so heading to in this inner HTML, I'm just going to take the color of this one. See here. Document dot get element by ID. என்ன கொடுத்தேன்? Get to la. Okay. Dot inner HTML of this one. Okay, so we are going to give the color. Okay, so we are going to just check the color of this one. Simple. So we can just put this one as it is backtick. Clear? Same thing, just pass it here. So we can see the color of that one. This color. Okay, so what is the color of that one? We can see. Clear? If it is the red of, sorry, colors of red, isn't it? So we'll be able to see that one. So we are going to just get the colors. How many colors we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. So those many times we are going to just, oh, okay, not that one. Counting the paragraphs, actually, how many paragraphs we have here? 9, isn't it? So 9 different colors we are going to get at present. See here. For the, I mean, as a head 2. Okay. But we actually have got only the last one. Okay. What we can do is, okay, just to define one variable here. Concat colors. Okay. And for this one, let us just put the concat colors plus equal to. Will not be able to put like this or what? Okay, else we can just put it in one. Okay, fine. 1 second, ma. It's not required of that one, so we can just put it in one method itself. That would be, sorry, one array variable itself. Okay, so in this color concat colors, so it is a new array color, new array of colors dot length. What I actually have asked is like, okay, so I need another one array box. Okay, that is all with the size of the same colors. Clear? So that is how I actually have used here. Oh, it is about the paragraph or what else? Okay, let us just check. Okay, so we are going to just put it in another one. Okay, not about the color items. 1 second, guys, 1 second. So about this paragraph only. Okay, so paras itself. Okay, so paras size itself, I just need another one. Okay, so new para box. New para box. Simple. Okay, so how many paragraphs we have? So those many times we are just going to get the colors. Okay, for this one. Okay, I actually have used the inner HTML. Okay, let us just try this one. Okay, otherwise let us just leave this one. 1 second. So new para box. Okay, of para. So which is actually this is going to contain the sorry. Yes. Okay, so this is going to contain the index. Okay, fine. So I actually have taken one array box, ma. Okay, so for each and every box is okay. 1 second, let me just check it. Okay, so we actually have been getting only the red here. Okay, 1 second, guys. Another one option is there. Okay, not required of giving this one to this one. Okay, let me just take this one. Okay, and we are actually going to put this color itself here. Guys, everything is trial and error only. Okay. So okay, fine. Yes, so we'll be able to get that one. It's a new para box. Okay, now we'll be able to just to get this one. Okay, for all the iterations, we are going to just to get this one. Okay, first is this one. Para box. Okay. Else we can just go ahead with the log statement itself. Okay. Just to get this one and print this one and see. We should get it. Okay. So let us just let's hope for the best. All the colors. Did we get the colors? No, not at all. Else we can just print the colors directly itself. It's not required to put it in another one box and all here. Okay, so we can just print this one directly because we are going to just print it inside of the log statement only, isn't it? So you can just put like this. There's another one choice is also there. Guys, I've been speaking with myself only. Okay, so 1 second, let me just think about those many logics. Simple. Like this only, we just can bring the answers. Okay. But we didn't get the, okay, so then we just click this one. We yeah, see here. So we actually have got all the colors, but only the what has this? Oh, sorry. This one has to be used here. Yes, it is not required of this one at present. I'll tell you about that one later on. Okay. Yes. Yes, see here. So how many colors we have got it? Okay, first is the orange red. Okay. Next, blue color, green color. Okay, fluorescent. We don't have that fluorescent, I think so here. Okay. Yes, so we actually have got it in the black color itself, purple, orange, red. Okay. Yeah, again we have got the orange red for that one. Okay. And here it is pink, gray. Okay, for fluorescent alone, we didn't get the color. Okay. So it is just to make this one as violet and it will be visible. Setting undefined color. Why? What happened? Colors of index. Okay, so index we actually have got here. So what is the problem? We didn't use any color here. 56th line. Colors of index. What is the problem? Okay, but we have been getting the output for properly, isn't it? So don't consider that one. Yes, we have got all the colors perfectly. So do you have any doubts here? I actually have printed the same thing. Okay, in case if you just want this one inside the inner HTML, so one thing we actually have get element by ID, which is the head 2 dot inner HTML. Okay, so equal to. So here we can just add both the things. Okay, so first is okay. So for this one, okay, let's para box. Okay, not required of this one. 1 second. Color new. Okay, with this string, we are actually going to just concatenate the remaining thing like for this one as well, we just need to put yes, you can just use like this itself, not at all a problem now. Color new plus. So both are going to be our this thing, isn't it? So colors of index. Like this also we can just put. Okay, so all the things will be concatenated with the previous color. Okay, color new. Okay, so just to see. Okay, so we should get the answer properly. Yes, see here. So we have got all the answers here. In case if you just want to give any okay, this actually will not accept. Okay, fine. Okay, so properly concatenation alone. The simple concatenation I have given and have got this one. Okay, all the colors we have got it in the heading 2. Yes, so do you have any doubts? Concatenating, okay, so in this object at present we actually have the first one, okay. So first color would be there, ma, okay, so which is black color, correct? So black color only, yes. So the first black color would be there here, okay, so that will be stored in this one. And next color, isn't it? So which is the purple color. So that will get concatenated, okay, which is like add the new color new with the colors of index, okay. So at present what is the color we have got here, okay. So that color and this color will be concatenated and will be stored in the color new itself, okay, as it is a string, okay, as they are string, okay, so they will be concatenating to each other. Clear? Yes. So like that all the new colors will be concatenated with the previous colors and will be stored in the color new, okay. In this color new at present, what are all the things we have, okay, so that also you can just see here, ma. Simple, all the colors, so how we have got it here, isn't it? So the same thing we are going to get. We have got, isn't it? So once again, so the same thing we are going to get for this one as well. Color undefined, what is the problem? 56, cannot set properties of undefined settings. Why? Color dot index. So everything has been written property. What is the problem? 1 second, 1 second. Let's just check, okay? Colors of index. Cannot set properties of undefined setting color. Then how can I take for the color actually? Color only we just need to set that. So this is the predefined property. Okay, so it hasn't been getting, we haven't been getting the output. Okay, not at all a problem. Okay, on click. Okay, so for this one only, it's okay. To make you people understand, okay, so what actually has been happening behind us. So I actually have given this one and that one as well. Okay, so don't get confused yourself. It will be easy only. Something we have been facing the error, but we have been getting the colors perfectly here. So what is the problem? Style dot color, because it's perfectly correct. Style dot color equal to, also can we keep like this? Colors of index. Let's just check. Yes, now it is okay only. So we haven't been getting any problem. Yes, but at present also we have got all the problem. But it has been working properly. Okay, not at all a problem. It has been working properly. Clear, but we didn't get any color of, yes. So in the console, it hasn't been printed. Okay. So in case if it is the situation, you can just print it here and see that a number of the things will get. Okay, so again and again. See here, so it actually has got concatenated. First is the yellow, okay, and with the yellow, white actually has got concatenated. Okay, and the yellow, yellow, white, yellow. See here, so how this actually has got concatenated, isn't it? So again and again, I actually have printed all the things. Okay, so like this only, it actually gets concatenated and it will be stored inside the color array. Sorry, color new. Did we do any mistakes here or what? No, nothing mistake. Actually, everything is perfect. Only we have written. Okay, guys. So, do you have any doubts with this one?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. So we'll see the query selector and query selector all tomorrow. Okay, and with another one topic is also another one thing is also there in the DOM. Okay, so to make you people understand, okay, I actually have used all these things. We can just give different colors for different paragraphs as well. Okay, that is also as possible. So all the paragraphs have been sat here. Okay, so from this paras, I actually have broke the complete paras and have given it to the para. Okay, the index alone will be here. Okay, it is a main object and index has been passed here. So object with the index will get the value. Object with the index will get the next value. Like that, it actually iterates the colors one by one. Okay, so in that iteration, I actually have used the index as differently. Okay, so paragraphs will be taken as 0th paragraph, first paragraph. Okay, for the first paragraph, what is the color has to be given? Okay, I actually have taken only the index here. Okay, so for all the things, I actually have taken only the index. Okay, so what is the thing is colors dot length, isn't it? So first, when you just to give any log statement, clear ma? Okay, just to use this one in the math. Okay, so math dot direct random. Okay, and into just to give the colors like this and check. Okay, so separately you just need to check. Okay, so not using any function at all, just to check. Check this one separately. Okay, like this, and check how this actually works. Okay, next. So what is the thing? Because random, isn't it? So math dot random number. Okay, so into colors dot length. Okay, first check the number for this one. Okay, then use this one inside the math dot floor and see. Okay, and take the console. This is like a console dot log, not taking the complete console. Okay, math dot floor. Clear? So like this, you just need to take and see what is the floor value of this one. Okay, check whether the index actually has been generating perfectly or not. Okay, you can just select and put it here as well. Okay, not at all a problem. You can just put it here as well. Kindly ignore this one. Okay, so not required at all. In case if you want, you can just use not a problem. But our concern is to just print the color perfectly. We are able to. Okay, fine. Ma, see here. You'll be able to understand now. See. Okay, index. See here. So we have got all the indexes perfectly. First is the red index, isn't it? For this one. Okay. So red index. Okay, one second. First is the red index. Okay. So index it is 0. Okay, perfect. Right. So 0th index only. And next, which is the violet. Okay, index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? And next, orange. Yes. So what is the index of this one? It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Yeah, 7. Correct. Correctly, we have been getting. Clear? Understood that how to take the
Yes.
index using the
Got it.
math functions. Clear? Yes, guys. So sleep well. Okay. So take rest. We'll meet you guys tomorrow. Thank you, ma. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, da. Okay. Try this one and see. Okay. So don't forget. Thank you.